Hello guys, I am Shama Krishna Agrawal and today we are going to discuss about simple linear regression. As per Bookie's definition, simple linear regression is a linear regression model with a single explanatory variable. It contains two variables, that is one independent variable and one dependent variable. And now we need to find a linear function as accurately as possible to predict the dependent variable values as a function of independent variable. And for this we use the equation of the line that we have studied in our schools, that is y is equal to mx plus c. First, let's understand more about it. That y will be the dependent variable and x will be the independent variable. And m is the slope and c is the intercept that we are going to keep on changing so that we can get a value of m and c that is most precise or most accurate uh, with our model. So let's see it first manually and then we are going to use a model. So okay, here is a graph that we can see. Here the slope value is 2000 and intercept value is 6000, and we can see that it is not at all fitting to our model as it is very far from accurate and not precise even, and therefore we have changed it. And now in this graph we can see that the line is more towards the scatter points that we are seeing, so it is more precise than the previous one. So we will keep on increasing the slope and intercept, and it is more precise than the previous one. Then we can again change it, and then again. But we can see that these are going to be accurate to some extent and precise to some extent, but it is manually almost impossible to find a accurate line or most precise line. So now we need a machine learning model that we have to build. And here is the coefficient, and here I just want to say that the coefficient or slope value can be even negative or positive, and same for the intercept. As we can see, this line does not at all fit to the model, therefore we have not shown it in upper, but it can be negative or positive either. And here we are going to use here I am going to explain the simple linear regression using the library sklearn. It can be done from scratch also, but now it's a starting class, so it's better to go with the library for now. First we have imported some of the basic libraries, that is NumPy, Matplotlib and Pandas, and then after we have imported the dataset, and the dataset name is salary data.csv, and here are the columns, that is year of experience and salary. Yes, salary is the dependent variable and year of experience will be the independent variable. And here we have assigned the dependent variable salary as y and independent variable year experience as x. And here is the equation of line that would look like this after that. That is the salary, which is our y or target variable, and year of experience, which is x. Here the formula can be seen, and now we will keep on seeing. We will try to find out the value of slope and intercept so that we can get the best fitting line, which is most accurate and most precise. For that, we have first split the data into training set and test set. This is done for seeing the overfitting part. Here, it is not much required, but for some models like random forest and decision tree, it is required. As overfitting, we check overfitting so that we can see how well the model is generalized, or whether it has been generalized or not at all, because sometimes the model fit that data properly that we have given, but they do not fit to the actual data in the real life, and all models are made for real life. We will discuss more further about overfitting, but not in this class, as it is not required to for this part. Okay, so here we have imported the library as linear regression from sklearn, and here we have used xtrain and ytrain value for fitting purpose, and we have find the predictions of x test with the variable ypred. Here it can be seen. Now we need to see the visualization that how our line is fitting, and here it can be seen that it is fitting to a large of extent. And for the test set, now we also need to see, as we need to check about the overfitting and others also, overfitting also. So it can be seen that the model is generalized also well, means we have got a good good model or good line of linear for linear regression. And here we can see that our slope and intercept value are given. That is, our slope value is 9345 point something. That is of course not possible to find through manual this exact line, and intercept value can also be seen, that is 26,816 point something. uh, Thank you guys. Here my session ends.